Unpacking the phrase, pro gamer, explained. Hello, English language enthusiasts and future fluent speakers. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of gaming to explore and understand what it means when someone says they are a pro gamer. This is a term you might have come across in conversations, on social media, or perhaps in articles about video games. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of this phrase and how to use it in context. So, let's get started. Pro gamer is a compound noun made up of two words, pro and gamer. Pro is a short form of the word professional, which in this context means someone who is very skilled and makes a living from their skill. Gamer refers to a person who plays video games. When combined, pro gamer describes someone who plays video games at a very high skill level and often competes in tournaments or plays as part of a professional team, earning money from their gameplay. Being a pro gamer is not just about playing games for fun. It requires a lot of hard work, practice, and dedication. Pro gamers often follow strict training schedules, work with coaches, and participate in competitions to improve their skills and gain recognition in the gaming community. Training. Pro gamers spend hours every day practicing and honing their skills. Competitions. They participate in tournaments, either individually or as part of a team, competing against other pro gamers. Earnings. Their income can come from various sources including prize money from competitions, sponsorships, and sometimes a salary if they are part of a professional gaming team. Being a pro gamer can have significant impacts on a person's life. Positive aspects. It can lead to fame in the gaming community, lucrative earnings, and the opportunity to turn a passion into a profession. Challenges. However, it also comes with challenges such as intense pressure, the need for constant practice, and the risk of burnout. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at what it means to be a pro gamer. Whether you are an aspiring gamer yourself or just wanted to understand more about this contemporary profession, we hope this video has been insightful. Remember, being a pro gamer is not just about playing games. It's a commitment to excellence, constant improvement, and sometimes, it's a full-blown career. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.